Can't log into DraftKings? Here's a quick 60-second fix you can try right now. First, check your internet connection and make sure airplane mode is off. Next, force close the DraftKings app and restart your phone, then reopen the app. Make sure the app is up to date. Open the App Store or Google Play and install any updates. Confirm your username and password are correct and use reset password if needed. If errors persist, clear the app cache on Android or delete and reinstall the app on iPhone. Check DraftKings status page or Twitter/X to see if there's a platform outage. If you use two-factor authentication, confirm your codes and check your authenticator app or SMS messages. Disable any VPNs or location spoofing. DraftKings may block logins from unexpected locations. Also ensure the device date and time are set automatically and the app has network permissions. If you still see errors, take a screenshot of the message and note your account email and device details. Still stuck? Contact DraftKings support through the app or help.draftkings.com for live assistance.